G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You are awesome because here at howtoplaythesax.com we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating the whole process. Now, in today's lesson, I thought we'd do two versions of the one song. Two versions of the one song. In this lesson, we are going to do Valerie, the song Valerie, originally by Amy Winehouse and Mark Ronson. Amy Winehouse, she's no longer with us. She peaked a little bit too early and unfortunately she left us, but she had an amazing voice. And when she teamed up with Mark Ronson, who's a bit of a guitar kind of guy and an arranger kind of guy, they did a really cool version of a song called Valerie. Now, later on in this lesson, we'll talk about the Bruno Mars version. Bruno Mars did an incredible live version at some American TV Awards thing. But for the moment, let us talk about Valerie by Mark Ronson and Amy Winehouse. It's got some cool saxophone parts. It's good fun. It's good fun. I like this song. It's quite a nice, it's a nice song. It's nice. And it kind of is a poppy kind of song. But the Bruno Mars version, really cool. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to do with this lesson, so let's live on the edge. Let's do both. However, they're in different keys. So what that means is it's the same song, it's the same melody, it's the same parts, they're just different notes. If you're playing the Amy Winehouse version, you play these notes. If you're playing the Bruno Mars version, you play those notes. Different notes. But we'll come to that later on in this lesson. So firstly, we'll talk about the Amy Winehouse Mark Ronson version. Okay, so if you don't know the song, it kind of goes, the chorus, Valerie, ba 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 da ba 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 ba, Valerie, ba ba do do do, ba 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 da da. But again, let's break it down. Let's break it down into its component parts. Download the cheat sheet. Download the cheat sheet because the cheat sheet makes it a little bit easier. I've been told. I get a lot of good feedback about the cheat sheets. But again, the notes will be along the bottom, so either or, whatever is good for you. Into the chorus, the vocals, Amy or Bruno, but Amy for this moment, she sings Valerie, and then we play. And then we play. Yeah, it's same rhythm, different notes. It's on a C. For us on our alto saxophones, we go C, 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 D, E. It's a little bit high. C, 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 D, E. So we got C, middle finger without the register key. So we do three of them. C, 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 up to a D with the register key, all fingers with the register key, D, and then an E with the register key. Yeah, let's just try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Great. Then it changes and it goes. Same rhythm, slightly different notes. This time the notes are D, 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 E, F with the register key. All of these. D, 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 E, F. D, 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 E, F. Can we do that together? Can we join in? Can we do that together? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Great, this is good. Can we put those two bits together? Let's put those two bits together. All right, let's put those two components together. So we've got C, 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 D, E, and we play it twice. C, 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 D, E, and then we go to our D, 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 E, F, and again, D, 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 E, F. Let's play that together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, on the D, and again, Good. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. On the D. And again. Great. And that is the song. That is the song. So again, we've got some long notes coming out of the verse. We've got the chorus, and it just does that a few times. How do you feel about this? Can we play along with Amy Winehouse and Mark Ronson? Yes, we can. Cool. Okay, let's play along with Mark Ronson and Amy Winehouse. Chorus. All right. Yeah, crowd goes wild.
Give it up for the girls.
Give it up for the girls.
The Wineettes.
The Wineettes, fantastic. Give it up for the girls and the Wineettes. Give it up for the boys and the Winers. Or something. I don't know. Sorry if I've ruined the whole thing. Sorry about that. Really cool song. Really cool song. Now, what we might do just quickly. Bruno Mars has another version. Bruno Mars. His version is actually, I prefer his version, but slightly different notes. I like the Bruno Mars version. I'd be interested to hear which version you like. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know, do you like the Bruno Mars version or the Amy Winehouse and Mark Ronson version? Anyway, yeah, same song, slightly different notes. So it's actually up one semitone. Bruno Mars version is one semitone higher, one semitone up, different than the Amy Winehouse Mark Ronson version. Same rhythm, same feel, same song, different version, different notes, same rhythm. We've got our chorus. It sounds like. So those notes with Bruno Mars, we've got C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, E flat, F with the register key, E flat and F with the register key. So C sharp without the register key, C sharp, E flat with the register key, F with the register key. So we've got da, 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 da. Then the second bit, E flat, E flat, E flat, F, F sharp, all with the register key, this second bit. E flat, E flat, E flat, F, F sharp. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's just try it just a little bit slower. Bump, bump, ba-da, bump, 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 ba-da, bump. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Then E flat. And again. And let's start again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Cool. This is good. This is good. Let us play along now with Bruno Mars. Remember, slightly different notes, same song, slightly different order. Bruno Mars is actually the guys in the band. They kind of look cool. They do a bit of a sort of a side shuffle. But I can't coordinate that. So you're a better man, better woman, better in between person than I. If you can coordinate the Bruno Mars band sort of side step, side shuffle, they're a bit cooler and smoother, and they've got better moves than I have. So let's play along with Bruno Mars. Chorus. Getting ready for our chorus. Here we go. Stop making a fool out of me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, chorus now. Say Amy. Whoa, Amy. Love you, darling. Yeah, thank you very much. Crowd has gone wild. Once again, the crowd's gone wild, and they have gone wild because of you. Yes, the adoring fans, the screaming, the applause is because of you, because you are awesome. It helps that we're having fun, it helps that we're playing saxophone, but you are awesome, and please may I encourage you to repeat the whole process. My name is Matthew. Thank you so much for joining me here inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. I've enjoyed this one. 2 songs, 2 different keys, 2 different sets of notes, but really it's actually only 1 song. It's 2 versions of the 1 song. Really cool. I encourage you to just play it again, play both, and please let me know in the comments below, which one do you like the best? Do you like the Mark Ronson and Amy Winehouse version, or do you like the Bruno Mars version? Either way, it doesn't matter because I like both, but secretly, maybe, I prefer the Bruno Mars version because it's just a bit more fun. But that's my opinion. Your opinion might be different. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. Thanks. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between. Thanks heap for joining me in this free saxophone lesson. Please, just want to remind you, if you are looking for the full lesson, we've left a little bit out of this lesson you've just done. If you're looking for the full lesson, please become a member at howtoplaythesax.com, and I'll see you inside the members area for this full lesson and many, many, many others. I'll see you at howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew. Thank you. I'll see you in another lesson.